Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel order AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom you see your account section, and then at the top you see My Orders tab, and here tap View All button, and here from this list you should find the order that you want to cancel. Tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button called Cancel Order. Next you will be requested to select the reason why I want to do cancellation. Just pick one reason that fits you the best, and of course submit your cancellation request. And now all you have to do is just wait, and your money is usually returned in 3 to 20 business days, depending on your payment method. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.